good evening, or should I say a glamorous evening to each and everyone. My name is Aisen Ventura, and I am from the land of magnificent, excellent, all exists, Gimba, Nueva Ecija. Again, I am Aisen Ventura, and let me encourage a beautiful face in ABS-CBN. Ang babaeng bawal hawakan, baka hindi nyo na mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal titigan, baka inyong hanap-hanapin. Innocent na sa paningin, pero maladyosa ang dating. Opo, ako nga po, binibining Regine Velasquez. Miss Regine Velasquez na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, hindi masama maging bakla kung may pangarap ka. Judges, mark my number because I give you a best show.